Hello class 8 students, I am your math teacher Nitin. In today's lecture 2, we will start exercise 3.1, page number 47 of your book. Okay, now come to the question number 1. Question number 1 is a very simple question. Question is find the cube of. You have to find out the cube. Find the cube of. Which part should I do for you? Let's say sixth part I am doing for you, right? Sixth part. Sixth part is 3.5 upon, okay, it's only 3.5. What we will do, we have to find out the cube of 3.5. We will remove this decimal and our number become 35 upon 10. अब आपको इसका क्यूब निकालना है. ओके, नाउ 35 को हम 3 बार मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे upon 10 will also be multiplied 3 times and you will get your answer. So students, 35 multiplied by 35 and again by 35 you will get 42875 upon 10 into 10 and by 10 you will get 1000. So the cube of this number will be, now put the decimal, आपको decimal लगाना है. You know the trick how to write the decimal. 1 number मैच हो गया, second number मैच, third number मैच, 42. So your answer is 42.875. Clear? Question number 1, sixth part I have done for you. Now come to question number 12th part. Twelfth part I will do for you. 12th part is 1 whole 9 upon 10. So first of all you will convert this mixed form into improper form. Your number will be 10 ones are 10 plus 9, 19 upon 10. Now you have to find the cube. That means 19 into 19 into 19 upon 10 into 10 into 10. How much? Multiply 19, 19, 19, you will get 6859 upon 30. Okay. Now put decimal. So your answer will be 6.859. Okay. This is your answer. Clear students? Question number 1, do all other parts on your own. Simple questions हैं जैसे हमने किए हैं. Okay. Come to question number 2 students, exercise 3.1, question number 2, page number 47. Which of the following numbers are perfect cube? Which of the following are perfect cube? Okay, perfect cube कौन से नंबर है? Which now come to fifth part. I will do fifth part for you. Number is 8000. Okay. अब इसका कोई शॉर्टकट मेथड नहीं है, आपको इसके प्राइम फैक्टर्स बनाने होंगे और हम ट्रिपलेट्स बनाएंगे. अगर मेरे ट्रिपलेट्स बन जाते हैं कंप्लीट, देन वी कैन से दैट अ गिवन नंबर इज अ परफेक्ट क्यूब, अदरवाइज नॉट. हम इसके फैक्टर्स बनाने शुरू करते हैं स्टूडेंट्स. 8000 के हमने फैक्टर्स करने हैं 2, ओके. नाउ 1000 के फैक्टर्स बनाते हैं स्टूडेंट्स. ये ऊपर करते हैं. नाउ इट विल गो बाय अगेन 2, 500, देन अगेन बाय 2 इट विल गो 250, 2 अगेन 125. नाउ इट इज गोइंग बाय 5, 5 2s are 10, 25, 5 5s are 5 1s are. Okay. Now what are the factors of 8000? Now we will write the factors. 8000 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2, 1 2 3 4 5 6. There are 6 2s and 3 5. Right students? Now make the triplets. अगर मेरे ट्रिपलेट्स बन रहे हैं then you can say that a given number is a perfect cube. 2 यहाँ से 2 निकालेंगे, इधर से 2 निकालेंगे, इधर से 5 निकालेंगे, 2 2 is 4, 4 5 is 20. So this number is a perfect cube of 20, right? This is a perfect cube of 20. Clear हो गया स्टूडेंट्स? ओके, डू ऑल अदर पार्ट्स ऑफ क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 ऑन योर ओन. आपको ऐसे ही चेक करना है. अगर ट्रिपलेट बनते हैं तो यू कैन से दैट अ गिवन नंबर इज अ परफेक्ट क्यूब. अगर मेरे ट्रिपलेट नहीं बनते हैं देन इट इज नॉट अ परफेक्ट क्यूब, राइट? क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 स्टूडेंट्स. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 इज विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग आर द क्यूब्स ऑफ इवन नेचुरल नंबर. मैंने आपको बताया था cube of natural number, even natural numbers are always even number. Okay, now question is which of the following are the cubes of even natural number? Yes, first number is 216. It is a even number, so it is a cube of a even number. It will be a cube of a even number. Okay, क्योंकि ये even number है तो ये even number का ही cube बनेगा. Okay. Now second one is 729. 729 is a odd number, so it is not a cube of even number. Clear? Okay. Now 3375, again 3375 is a odd number, so it is not a cube of even number. Clear हो गया? अगर even number है then only it can be a cube of even number according to the rule, right? So first part is even number and the fourth part 1000, it is a cube of a even number. 512, it is a cube of a even number, fifth part. And the last one 13824, 13824, again it is a even number, so it is a cube of a even number. Okay, clear students? Now come to question number 4. Which of the following are the cubes of odd natural number? Now again odd number का cube odd होता है, so in question number 4 first part, question number 4 125. Yes, 125 is a cube of a odd number. Why? Because 125 is a odd number. 343, yes, it is a cube of a even odd number because 343 itself is a odd number, so it must be the cube of odd number, right? Now fourth part is 4096. 4096, it is an even number, so it is not a cube of odd number. Okay. Fifth part is 32768. 32768, again it is an even number, so it is not a cube of odd number. Okay, so that's how you can find out the answers by just checking the number. If it is odd then it must be a cube of odd number. If a number is even, that it must be a cube of even number. Okay, good. Question number 5 students, exercise 3.1 page 47. Question number 5 is find the smallest number. Find smallest number. हमने एग्जाम्पल भी किया था स्टूडेंट्स, है ना? Find the smallest number by which 1323 must be multiplied to get a product a perfect cube. Okay, this is the question. Now what we will do, we will factorize 1 3 2 3. हम factors बनाएंगे students 1 3 2 3 के. Okay, now it is not going by 2, it is going by 3. 3 4 are 12, 3 4 are 12, 3 1 are 3. Now again it is going by 3, 3 1 are 3, 3 4 are 12, 3 7 are 27. Now again by 3, 3 4 are 12, 3 9 are 27, 7 7 are 49, 7 1 are 7. So 1323 can be written as 3 into 3 into 3 into 7 into 7, right? Now we will make triplets. हमारा 3 का ट्रिपलेट कंप्लीट है, 7 का ट्रिपलेट कंप्लीट नहीं है. Okay, to complete this triplet you should be multiply this. To complete this triplet you have to multiply by 7. Okay, तभी तो मेरा ट्रिपलेट कंप्लीट होएगा. Now मेरा ट्रिपलेट कंप्लीट किससे हुआ? 7 से. सो द नंबर शुड बी मल्टीप्लाइड, द स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर इज 7 बाय विच 1 3 2 3 मस्ट बी मल्टीप्लाइड. ओके, तो नंबर मस्ट बी मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 7. दिस इज योर आंसर. राइट स्टूडेंट्स, आपको ट्रिपलेट बनाना है. जो ट्रिपलेट कंप्लीट नहीं होता है, आपको कितने नंबर चाहिए? एक 7 चाहिए टू मेक दिस ट्रिपलेट कंप्लीट. बस वही आपका आंसर है. अगर जैसे ही मुझको 7 मिलता है तो मेरा क्वेश्चन जो है, मेरा जो नंबर है, इसको 7 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे टू गेट द प्रोडक्ट एज अ परफेक्ट क्यूब. ओके, क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 is same just like question number 5. So do question number 6 on your own. Come to question number 7. Question number 7, by what number, by what smallest number 1600 must be divided so that the quotient is a perfect cube. Okay, what we will do, we will divide 1600. हम इसके प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन करते हैं स्टूडेंट्स. स्टार्ट विथ 2 स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर, 2 8 are 16 0 0, 2 4 are 8 0 0. ओके, नाउ व्हाट आर द फैक्टर्स ऑफ 1600? आप लिख लें यहाँ पे फैक्टर्स ऑफ 1600. You can write 2 into 2 into 2, 1 2 3 4 5 6. There are 6 2s, 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 5 into 5. right? Now start making triplet. एक ट्रिपलेट कंप्लीट हो गया, सेकंड ट्रिपलेट कंप्लीट हो गया. नाउ थर्ड ट्रिपलेट मेरा कंप्लीट नहीं हो रहा है. ठीक है, एंड माई क्वेश्चन इज by what number should 1600 be divided? So you will divide it by the product of these two number. Okay, 5 5s are 25. Why by 20 these two number? Because triplet complete नहीं हो रहा है मेरा, तो I will remove these two number. So 1600 must be divided by 25 to get quotient as perfect cube. Right students? So this is how you will do the question. आपको ट्रिपलेट बनाने हैं, ट्रिपलेट नहीं बन रहा है, उसके प्रोडक्ट से आप इसको डिवाइड कर दो. क्लियर? क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 I have done. क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 it is same just like question number 7. So do it on your own. Now come to question number 9. Now come to question number 9 students. Question number 9 is find the cube of the following number using column method. Using column method हमको क्यूब निकालना है. ओके, now first one I am doing for you, first part, that is 35. Okay, now here A is made 3 and B is equal to 5. First number A ले हमने and second number is 5. Now make column. Okay, and this is fourth column. First column is A cube, second column is 3 into A square into B, second is 3 into A into B square, and the fourth column will be B cube. Right? These are the 4 columns जो आपको बनाने हैं using the identity. Okay, now A cube, that means cube of 3 is equal to 3 3s are 3 3 are 9 and 3 are 27. Right? Now 3 into A square, 3 into A is 3 into 3 into B, B is how much? 5. हमने A square 2 बार लिख लिया A square. Right? Now 3 into A 3 into B square is how much? 5 into 5. Now p cube is how much? 5 into 5 into 5. Now write their answers. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, 27 5s are how much? Now students, we solved this product. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27 and 27 5s are 135. 3 3s are 9, 9 5s are 45, 45 5s are 225 and 5 into 5 into 5 is 125, right? Clear. Now we will underline the unit digit. ये मेरा आंसर का पार्ट है. यहाँ पे 10, ये 12 बच गया. This is the 12. 12 will be carried over to this column. Add these numbers. 5 plus 2 is 7. 2 plus 1 is 3 and 2. 237. सिर्फ यूनिट डिजिट का नंबर हम अपने पास रखेंगे. This 23 will be carried over here. Add this number. 5 plus 3 is 8. 3 plus 2 is 5 and 158. यूनिट डिजिट हम इधर रखेंगे. 15 will be carried over to the next column. Add these number. 7 plus 5 is how much? 12. 2 plus 1 3. This is 42. Okay. Now ये नंबर हमको कंप्लीट लेना है. So my answer will be, what will be my answer? Cube of 35. 35 cube is equal to 4 to अंडरलाइन वाला पार्ट लेंगे जो हमने अंडरलाइन किया है 8, 7 and 5. Okay students, this is your answer. Clear? Good. Do all other parts of question number 9 on your own. सिंपल आपको ऐसे ही कॉलम बना करके करने हैं. Okay. Question number 10 students, exercise 3.1, page number 47. Write true and false. Write true and false. Okay. T for true and F for false. Question number 1 is 392 is a perfect cube. आप 392 को फैक्टर करके चेक कर सकते हैं. इज इट अ परफेक्ट क्यूब? आपका आंसर फॉल्स आएगा क्योंकि ये ट्रिपलेट्स नहीं बनाएगा. ठीक है. नाउ कम टू द सेकंड पार्ट. 8640 is not a perfect cube. 8640 is a perfect cube. So again this is a false. Okay. Now third one is no cube can end with exactly 2 zeros. Yes, हमारे exactly 2 zeros क्यूब के एंड में नहीं हो सकते. This is true. Okay. अगर हमारा number of zeros even है then it is not a perfect cube. Always remember, right? Now come to question number 4. Fourth part is there is no perfect cube which ends in 4. Yes, true. False. Fifth one, for an integer a cube is always greater than a cube. For an integer a cube is always greater than a cube. False. वो greater कैसे हो जाएगा बेटा? It will be equal to a cube. Okay. So this is question number 10. Now students, exercise 3.1, do all the questions and all parts of questions neatly in your exercise. Your copies will be checked by the teachers. Okay students? Now students, we will study about cube roots. What are cube roots? Okay, we have completed cube. Now we will study cube roots. Now I will explain you with an example. It is a given number. 8 is the number and I say find out the cube root of 8. So what you will do, you will make factors of 8 starting with the smallest number and you end with 3, triplet of 2. 8 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2. That means मेरा triplet complete हो रहा है. Take 2 out of this triplet. So we can say that 2 is the cube root of 8. Clear student? Cube root क्या होता है? We can say that 2 is the cube root of 8. Clear students? Now what is the symbol of cube root? Symbol of cube root क्या होता है? Symbol of cube root is, हम इसका symbol लिखते हैं 3. This is the symbol. अगर मैं यहाँ पे 8 लिख दूं then it will be read as cube root of 8. Okay, so cube root of 8 is 2. Clear students? What is cube root? Cube root is the number जिसको मल्टीप्लाई करके जिसके फैक्टराइजेशन करके अगर ट्रिपलेट कंप्लीट होता है तो वो नंबर हमारा क्यूब रूट होगा उस नंबर का. ओके. नाउ इसका सिंबल भी मैंने आपको समझाया, सिंबल हमारा ये वाला सिंबल +3 लिखते हैं यहाँ पे। नाउ दिस 8, ये जो 8 है, दिस 8 इज नोन एज radicand, 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 okay, and this 3 is known as, ये जो हमारा नंबर है, this is known as index, right? क्लियर हुआ? दिस 8 इज नोन एज रेडिकेंट। अगर कोई रेडिकेंट वर्ड आता है देन यू शुड अंडरस्टैंड दैट which number he is talking about, and this 3 is known as index. Clear students? Okay, that's all in today's class students. Take care, bye bye.